Hello guys, in this video, I will share why I switched to Pop! OS in 2025 and what makes it a standout Linux distro this year. So let's get into it. Pop! OS is developed by System 76 and based on Ubuntu, but it's much more than just another Linux flavor. So let's review it. Number 1. Performance. Pop! OS feels snappy, even on older hardware. It's optimized for creators, developers, and gamers with GPU support out of the box. The filing window manager is a game changer for multitasking and productivity. Number 2, user experience. The desktop environment is clean, modern, and intuitive. Pop! OS offers a polished GNOME experience, enhanced with custom tweaks. Plus, the Pop shell provides keyboard-centric workflows that save tons of time. Number 3, developer and gaming friendly. It comes preloaded with development tools, and installing packages is a breeze with apt or Flatpak. For gaming, Steam and Lutris run smoothly thanks to built-in NVIDIA and AMD drivers. Number 4, privacy and stability. Pop! OS doesn't include bloatware or telemetry. It's stable, frequently updated, and backed by a company that truly supports open source development. So, for final thoughts, if you are a developer, a creative professional, or just someone switching from Windows or Mac, Pop! OS offers the perfect blend of power, design, and performance. I switch and I don't plan on going back. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.